Hey guys, nice to meet you. My name is Rita and I am a marketing strategist, and today we're having a lesson, do-it-yourself lesson on Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager. And now let's start with creating new account on Google Analytics. So to start with Google Analytics is the system which help you to make your ads more effective. Without this tool, you can't prevent wasting your money on ads, because if you don't have any opportunity to check whether your ads are effective or not, unfortunately your ads campaign can't be successful, and you will continue to waste your money on ads which don't work, or they work badly. So to start with creating your account, please Google Analytics. You should have a mailbox on Google to create your account. So I do, and now I have my new account details. To start with new one, test one. This is my choice to name this account here. So okay, let's go further. Next step, then property name. So what it is and what is the difference between account and property here. Account, for example, you have a client, or you are any business, and you have your own website and you want to connect your website and Google Analytics, and it means that it's one of the easiest situation, because you have only one account and only one property. It's okay. But if you have several websites or several other landing pages, you still is the company with only one account, but you can have several properties here. So one property is for website 1, the second property is for website 2, and so on and so on and so on. And here, as I've just said, I have test accounts, like as trial accounts or something like that, just to show you. So here I have this, and I don't want to change anything. So the next it's something which is connected with business and small company, so ordinary information here, and create new one. Please accept all these things to create new account, and choose a platform, web. Now we need to write down our link, our website, and I'm going to have my own, and the name of this team will be the name of my website. I don't want to miss anything, so that is why it's easier to have the same names. Okay, now we have our account, and now we are offered to install this code, special code, in the head. So this procedure is standard, absolutely, because all websites have head and body, and if you have difficult website, for example, you created yourself, with the special codes and so on, it's one way. Yes, and the second way, you have a website which is constructed with the help of special platforms. So do I, the second way, because I don't want to have something difficult in my job. So now what should I do? I need to copy this code, then I go to a platform where I have my own landing page. So, and it doesn't matter which platform you have, they are all look alike, kind of. And here I have a special thing like HTML code for the head section, special gap here, and now I have several codes and have my own Google tag, as you can see here. So save it, then close, and again save changes, publish your pages. And the second things to do, also we have special measurement ID here copy it, and you can again check on the platform where you have your website here, and you write this measurement ID down here. Save changes again and publish all your pages. Then what is the next? So great, start collecting data. Please don't forget that we need time. Google Analytics needs some time to be installed, and they say that it takes 84 hours, and it's okay. The next step, continue to home. Okay, great. So please don't forget about this one, about admin page. Now we have special things about our settings. So here you can get, or you can give the access to this account, or even access to special property. Yes, not for the whole account, but for special property, for the special website, for example. And we also have special things like that, events and conversions. These steps are extremely important because if we don't have any information about our events or conversions, Google Analytics couldn't help you to check all of your data here about all of your users, because users do something on your website. For example, they scroll it, or they click buttons, or they fill in gaps in forms, and so on. And all of this data extremely important for us, as we need to count everything, yes, not to waste our money. And we will talk about these steps too, of course. And then only one thing in data collection. Yeah, get started, continue, and activate. Great. Now we need to go further, and the next step for us is to work with the Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager is the second tool for us. It is again absolutely important thing in internet marketing. And now let's create new account. Just again Google it, Google Tag Manager, GTM. And now again our test account, we need the same country as we have in Google Analytics, so as I remember, United States, I think. And then container name, again our website, and it's more comfortable to name it like your website too. Web, create, okay, accept everything, yes. The next step, loading. Now we have our working space, and we also need to install our Google Tag Manager. Again, the same steps as we used to have a previous step. So again, head, body, and I can do it easier because I have this special ID. Again, get back to our analytics, our platform, which contains our landing page, and here I have this special tab, Google Tag Manager ID. Now I have one, and now save changes, close, and publish all pages. It's extremely important because you need to save it finally. Yeah. The next step, we need to connect our Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics, to show them that they are together. And now we have several tabs again in our menu: tags, triggers, variables, folders, templates. But we don't need all of them. We need just tags, triggers, and variables. First of all, variables. There are different types of making our triggers work, and first of them, let's add more variables. So I don't think that you need all of them, but most of them are useful, so add them to, now I would say this one, clicks, all of them, all of these forms. And if you need some video, if you need it, yeah, scrolling, visibility, so, but it's enough. Okay, first of all, tags, just do it. Tags are about, like, you know, wide settings. So what I mean, first tag should be a tag of connecting Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics. So first of all, let's have it. Okay, so first line, Google Analytics, GA4 configuration. Let's have it here. Now, which ID we need, yeah? So, and we need to get back to our Google Analytics. Then we have this one. Or we also can check it here. Admin and data streams. Here our stream is this one, and again measurement ID. So we need these numbers and letters here. And trigger. What is the difference between a tag and a trigger? A tag is a wide setting, yeah, and a trigger means that something special has happened on our website and it activates our trigger and then everything happens, yeah? So it means that this configuration of our GA4, so this connection between GTM and GA4 works for all pages of our website. So now I have a little website. It's not so long, to be honest, so let's check it. So it's just only one page, yeah, it's a landing page, but you can have a website with different pages and you can have more than only one page, so it works for all pages. Okay, save it. Then we need to have special, again, tag configuration. It will be about, so conversion linker. It's important too. GA4 linker. Again, for all pages. It works for Google Ads. Very important, so make it. And then we need to preview our job, yeah? Let's check it. And let's check with our website. Check it. Our website. And here, continue. Now we have our tags all fired. Everything is okay. It means that our system see it and so it's okay. Yeah, GA configuration in GA for conversion linker, everything is okay. So it means that we can submit all of changes here, continue, and we are about our last step here. Of course, we can work more on our Google Tag Manager, but I think we need to have our minimum, our essential minimum. Then we need to create conversions. We need to create our events and conversions for Google Analytics. So here, events and conversions. Yes, what should we do next? Let's have it here. So talking about our triggers, yes, we need something to activate, yes, to show that everything works, okay, and something happens on our website. For example, what is going to happen? For example, this button for us is essential. We extremely need the information on users which push this button, yeah, which click this button, and that is why we want to have special event on our Google Analytics, yeah? And that is why we need to create some infrastructure, you know, in Google Tag Manager to link them. So first of all, we need to create triggers. New one, we need this push trigger, yeah, okay, push the button, for example, push the button trigger. So the name should be correct. I mean, you should understand what it is about, okay? So then all elements, but some clicks, some special clicks on special button here. So, and now we need to write down something to make our trigger fired here. So there are several variables here, yes, this one. And now we need to choose one to write some special conditions for this trigger, yeah? If we want our special button, we need to check special information, which information we should write down here. So then we should check this one. Discard all changes, nothing special. Okay, let's again make preview. Now we're connecting with our website, and now what we have. Our website, so let's check. Our website, yes, there are several actions on our website. Then, now as any user, I can scroll my website to check all the information, to read about product, for example. Get back to our Google Tag Manager, and now we see scrolls, yeah? So it means that Google Tag Manager sees everything on our website. And then we get back to our website and push this button. Our Google Tag Manager again has seen all the actions on our website, our link. Now we need to check this link with variables. And here we have several variables and special meanings of this element on our website, of this button on this website. So yeah, the previous step, we didn't have any idea on what we were going to write down about our trigger, but now we have lots of information. And for example, here we have click URLs, so it doesn't mean that we need to use only this one. We also can use click text, click target, but we don't have click target, okay. Click element, form classes, form element, but here we have click URL, because almost every button on almost on every website has special link for it. And now this link is about a special space on my website. So if you remember, if we have this, yeah, oh, sorry, if we have our website here. So if I click this button, I could see this special information on prices and some more information about the product. So it means that this button has special link inside, yes. And then we get back to our triggers, again, new one, again, push the button. Then all elements, but some special clicks, yes, on some special buttons or button for us. And now we choose this one and equals, yeah, because we have the full link. Save it. Then we remember our main aim is to create events and conversions. So to create these special things which will help us to check the efficiency of our Google Ads or any other ad sources. And we need to create these events firstly on Google Tag Manager. So let's check it. Again, tags, just step by step, new one. Now we have conversion, yeah, or event if you want. Event, push the button. Tag configuration, GA4 event, because we are building our infrastructure for events and conversions. Select our configuration, this one, yes, because we already have it. Event name, we need to write it down. So there are a lot of standard events name, but we can have our own, of course, in English. Event name, for example, button buy. Buy means this button is translated like buy. And it's for me, yes, I understand which button I mean here. And then we need to choose our trigger. Here is push the button, special button with special link here. Save it. And now we need to preview to check all the changes here. Connecting. Okay, and now we see that our tags fired. GA configuration, GA4 conversion linker, but we don't have our events. Yeah, so it isn't fired. Okay, let's check our website. So now we scroll, for example, we do something on our website. Scrolls, okay, see it. Then try to click it. And now we see what? We see that our tag fired. Everything is okay. Google Tag Manager has seen our event push the button. So it means that we are great. And now we should get back to events. Here is settings of Google Analytics now. And now we need to create this event and just create, because we need the information about this button. So first of all, for us, the name for this event, button buy. It's okay. There are lots of standard names, but we can have our own button buy. Why not? And event name equals which value, which meaning. Remember previous step when we create our triggers, we write down button buy. Do you remember this? And it's okay that they are equal, they are the same. Create this event, then we go further to conversions and create new conversion. And our event is called button buy. Here, the same text. And we switch it on. It's okay. And now we have what? We have correct settings of our Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager. Your website is linked with everything. Everything is connected. Right after some time, you will be able to check all the data on your website to see the actions of your users, and then, and I think this is the most important thing, you can check your ad sources, you can check your ads, whether they are effective or not, with the help of Google Analytics, and I think we will have another video how to read the results of Google Analytics, how to understand the results, and now we have all the correct preparations to do this. If you like this video, please press the button with this picture and then subscribe and push the bell not to miss my next videos. Bye bye.